Okay, here we are with the trainer blade. Now we have the fork. And now the spork. Ah. I would have cut myself. This thing is so weird. Okay, it's kind of throwing me off because on most trainers, something like this would be an indicator that it's a bite handle. As to with the quick release, in my opinion, the quick release should have been on the bite side, because this gives you feedback that you've got the bite handle. Make sense? Now the live blade. Now I am not going to do anything fancy schmancy with this one because of this housing. But you can see it just fans so much nicer with that live blade. Really wish they would have made the trainer out of stainless. That would have made it so much more fun to flip with the trainer, to learn the balance of the mechanism so that you can flip with the live. Anyway, I'm gonna email him, give him my feedback. Not that it'll do much, but it's just constructive criticism, because this is a hoot, this knife, I tell you. Thank you very much, Ben, for letting me add it to my collection. Let's go Balisong. Balisong, I don't know why I'm talking like that. Let's go Balisong with the Defcon Accel. Accel with an A, not an E. Okay, let's go Balisong.